Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is for Kathryn. Kathryn, thank you for being a patron this month. She requested a spread using one of the KellofaPlan sticker books. I have Boho Dreams, so I'm going to do a Boho Dreams spread on a horizontal. I have a few patrons who request horizontal, so which is nice because then I'm able to do some horizontal spreads, which I really don't do. But I'm gonna use this blue section right here. It's really pretty. And if you're not familiar with these sticker books, I think she has a few out, like maybe 3. I know she came out with one recently. But I like that she puts these clusters already like pre-made in here, because it makes it super easy to decorate a spread. Like I feel like this spread is going to come together pretty quickly because these are already clustered together, so that's nice. But yeah, I'm going to take this and I'm just going to plop it down right about here. I think that's a good spot for it. Okay, I'm going to add some more stuff up here and stuff. Oh, and I also want to put this one. That one's really pretty too. So let me pull that one off. And I'm going to put it over here on this side. I have another book I want to pull in from Happy Planner. I have this Modern Months. I feel like this one will go well. The reason why I bought this because I felt like it would go well with a lot of stickers. So yeah, look at, I have like nice stickers here. Some of like the browns, which is nice. Like I like this, but I think she uses this for journaling. So I have to keep that in mind. But maybe I could do some of these like quotes. These are pretty. Okay, I'm gonna come back to that. I'm gonna go back in here first and pull some boxes. So I wanna get some boxes on the spread. And we could do my own clusters too. Like, let's see, this one. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down here. This here. I like these shapes too. I'm just gonna add one here. That's cool. Okay. Let me go back in here. So I like this brown. Okay, I think that works. Ooh, I got some nice quotes too. I like this go with the flow. Okay, let me cover this up. Says go with the flow. I'm just going to stick it here on the side. Okay, I like that. I'm going to do a little box cluster up here. Okay, I'm going to pull this one, I think this way. And then get some of those like shapes. Actually, this one's cool. This one. This is cute. Let's see this one. I'm gonna go back in here, see if there's like a quote sticker or something I can use. Oh, I have some small ones. Okay. Let's do this. Stop wishing, start doing. Wow, I put that super crooked, so I'm gonna fix that in a bit. I didn't even realize that. I don't know what happened. That is like totally off. And this does not like the paper, but that's okay. Okay, I don't know what I don't know what I did. Just like put it down super crooked. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, sorry about that. That was different. Okay. I think I'm gonna stick some boxes from here. So I got some nice colors. Ooh, I really want to stick some of these too. And these are nice because you can, like, you know, keep them decorative, or you can use them like functionally. You can write in them. Okay. I think I might stick one of these in the corner here. Okay, going back to boxes from here. I need to pull in some of this navy color on this side. So I'll stick this one here. And let's see, I want more of the teal color on this side. So I'll stick this one here. Just gonna put a couple boxes around. And let's do a teal one. Actually, we'll go with the light blue. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go into this book and grab some bullet points. Actually, I might grab another book. All right, so I have some boxes in this, or bullet points in this book. Kind of match. Okay, so I'm gonna pull these just to like put around the spread a little bit in a couple places. Do one there, a couple here. And here. Okay. That's all I wanted from that book. I do have this book, which I put together with a bunch of other books. This is from the Minimalist sticker book. I like the colors of these. Just gonna add a couple of these because I think they're cute. Gratitude, and this one says the next right thing. I don't know, I just like to add quotes around the spread. Okay. I think this side looks pretty good. I feel like I need a little bit more on this side. So go back in here. Maybe I can do Okay, and then maybe okay. I think that's pretty good. Like I said, I knew this was gonna come together pretty quick because she has really good clusters in here, so it makes it very easy to put a spread together very quickly. So that's gonna be my spread for Kathryn. Kathryn, I hope you like your spread. And thank you again for being a patron this month. I hope you all enjoyed watching me make this spread for Kathryn. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.